Okay.
They're both on the trading, loaded in my matrix.
Yeah.
So I got puts loaded for Amazon, 3 in the money, 4 in the money, and I got Tesla calls loaded, 3, 4 in the money. Because I'm guessing that's where it's going to be in the 60s in the Delta. We can talk about that on Thursday too. Okay.
Sounds good. Less than a minute. Good luck. Good fortune. Look.
Take a deep breath, man. Got this. Man, I love this stuff. All right, so loading puts in Amazon. Taking some puts now. It's going to break this low. Don't usually trade right out of the gate, but it's going to break down through the 3077.
That was an easy fill, too.
Same with Tesla, coming down.
Watch the juice here, though.
Let's let these kind of just purge down. All right. Ticks at minus 700. So you can see the Qs are still red. Only give this $3, guys. $3 stop. That's it on your Amazon. All right. This is a scalp trade. This isn't long-term trade. All right. All right. Qs are going down. There we go. Qs are a little green, but the stock is fluctuating downward. Once it breaks through to 3077, now we got the Qs coming up. What's Tesla doing? Tesla's just sitting there. This looks super weak. Amazon looks super weak right here up. So just keep your puts on. All right. Well, that's what I'm doing. All right. Qs are running. We've seen this before, though. It's holding the close or the low of yesterday right there at the 367. Really choppy, though. You see those tails?
Very choppy. Apple's running, too.
Yeah, I got this huge, big move up with the Qs.
You liking Tesla call still or no?
You're still on Amazon puts?
Yeah, still in puts. I think all this just scissors back down again. All right.
Got it.
See this cues are right at the hitting right on the open or the low of yesterday. You see it? So right there. Let's see. There's the number of the low of yesterday at 258. Okay. So it's going to smack into that, come back down. All right.
Everything else is coming down.
Would you say everything else coming down?
Yeah. Except for Tesla.
Yeah, it will. These are just short-lived, these upward moves, okay? Ticks at minus 641. See the cues smacking right into yesterday's low. You see it?
Yeah.
Just waiting for the cues to come back down here. These are going to come back 50% of this green candle up, okay? Start seeing some tails on Amazon on the 10. Tick staying right around minus 600. Here we go. See the wick on the, see the smacked into the low of yesterday. Q's have got a wick coming downward. See it?
Yes.
Super weak upward move. You notice that?
Yep, watching it here. Here we go.
Yep.
Comes the plunge, guys. See if we can get the full plunge and break pre-market.
Yeah, just 33077 smacks into that again. Okay, ticks at about 0. Okay.
Order filled.
It's just kind of sitting right there, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Did you try taking Tesla long?
I did. Couldn't get a fill. Tried it on the natural.
So the Qs are right at, let's see, we're at the tick's at 0. And we're right
Yeah.
at the close.
Let's see if it bounces here.
Just waiting for Amazon to come back down here. It's kind of retested the top of that wick again, you know. Looks like Tesla's coming back down here too. Qs are running though, huh?
Yeah, they are right now. Looks like things are going to take off. We broke above 0 here. Tesla may launch. Very mixed market. Upward movement's not strong yet on anything though.
I still think this Amazon revisits all the way back down to the 77. Okay, it's going to touch this 3067. You'll see it come back down and retest the bottom here. All right, just give it a minute. It's having a hard time between the close of the day and the low of yesterday. Okay,
Yeah.
so it's stuck in between there. Just so happens this is a $3,000 stock. Okay, you're going to get these fluctuations in this move. All right,
Mm-hmm.
and you just got to be patient. tick's going to start coming back down below zero. Just let this play out here, okay?
Okay.
I was able to catch Tesla puts though. Here we go down, guys. Looks like Qs are going to roll. Tick may roll here.
When this stuff drops, it drops hard. It drops fast, okay?
Yeah, looking better here.
Got an inverted hammer on the Qs, all right? It's breaking below the close of yesterday, and it's breaking the low in about a couple minutes downward, okay?
Looks like we're about to have that drop here. Double bar on the Qs on the 5.
So this is creating an evening star. Once we get another candle in 3 minutes, you'll see a red candle coming back down this way, all right? Breaks this 3077, which it looks like it's going to, and it's going to free fall down into this area of 3068. So there you go. You guys should be super profitable right now. There you go. There's big money right there coming in.
Yes, sir, it is. Good trade. Way to call it. Just had to sit through it, guys.
There you go, man. There's money in your P&L. There you go. That's a quick $5,000, $8,000, $9,000, $10,000.
Yep. Yep.
It's not like I haven't seen this before, you know?
Yeah, just had to sit through it.
There you go. That's sick money, Phil. I just say your name because I know you trade it. I'm not pressuring you guys to trade this. I'm just saying. You like how I'm saying this now?
All good.
You can
Staying
tell
in this?
I wasn't going long in it.
Yeah, you staying in this?
Oh, hell yeah. And the thing is about this trade is I knew it was going to fluctuate down, and I knew it was going to fall hard, and I knew I wasn't going to be able to chase it. So there's $20,000 right there. All right, I'm out right here. That's $20,000. That's enough for me today.
Order filled.
I got 4.
Yeah, I mean that's good. I had 11 contracts on that. That was it.
I only had 2.
But just think about you made $4,000 in what? 20 minutes of your life?
Yeah.
So you guys can manage it the way you want to. You can sell half there and let it run if you want. But we all have to manage our profit, okay? You could sell half, but I like the out right here. See how it's kind of doing? That was a blow off bar. They call these blow off bars, okay? Anybody else get that?
I'm still in it.
Yeah, I got it, buddy.
Nice.
I got it too. Thanks, Daryl.
Thanks, Bill.
See how fast it fell though? I said when this thing falls, it's gonna fall hard. You know?
Yep.
Think about trying to get this trade right here. You wouldn't have got it. Does that make sense though? You wouldn't have been able to get the fill. The spread was $6.
As it was coming down, you mean?
Yeah, it was just nasty. Like I tried to get 5 more right there, it wouldn't take my order. Like I go, I'm gonna take 5 more right there, wouldn't fill it. And I even did.
Tesla's giving it up. Look at Tesla, Daryl.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. So what side of the trade did we say we were gonna be on today? Puts, right?
Yeah.
Where do you make most of your money? Puts. Why? Because they violently fall. That's where you want to make a lot of money. Okay?
One contract of Amazon is worth $6,000 right now, Joe. He puts.
I know. I made 14 of it, and I thought that was pretty good. You know, $14. I mean, come on. You know.
The Qs are still giving it up. This thing is not done yet.
From the entry to the exit's $37 in the option. So that just tells you the power. It tells you the power of this stuff. Okay. Remember I was telling you the volatility, how much fluctuation in the market it's got right now, how things are moving violently. This is why it's the most important time to trade. Look how violent this is. Isn't that violent? Can you imagine getting caught in calls with this thing right now? I knew better, man.
The Qs are still coming down. It's insane.
I was just setting up for a serious freaking plummet.
So with this coming down so far with Tesla and Amazon, you want to get back in there, right?
No. This you gotta just wait a little bit here.
Yeah.
It's gonna get really choppy right now.
Order filled.
See the Qs dancing at the bottom right there? See how they're dancing? They got 3 bars right there dancing.
Yeah.
You got to be super careful. This can get really choppy. This could revisit back up through the 3,000 really, really quick. Like just, boom.
That was an $11,600 trade, Daryl.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's insane.
Do you see how this gave us the star, gave us the fluctuation down? This is just how I trade. I don't get caught up in I get caught up in which direction the market's going in. And it never broke the stack hardly at all upward, okay? So you see how it's popping back up $10 there and it's going to hit the 3,000? You see? That's why you got to be super careful trying to grab it off the bottom. Like this is a $17 move back up, all right?
Mm-hmm.
So be super careful right now. Very volatile market, but it's coming back down, all right?
Hey, Daryl,
Yes.
I want to thank you for keeping me calm.
No, I tell you, Just so you guys know this, I'm 86% right. That doesn't mean I'm not 14% wrong. Okay? That's pretty good. That's a pretty good scorecard. Okay?
And I'm just saying, I want to just thank you because, like, yeah, I would have freaked, and I just I'm trusting Daryl, and I just stayed in the trade, and it worked out great.
Awesome,
and you
man.
just kept me calm. You just kept me calm.
Thank you, man. How'd you do yesterday? Pretty good?
Yeah.
That's awesome, guys. So just take your profit, your money, relax a little bit here. We'll get another trade. All right? You don't want to trade this. The Qs are dumping right now. You can re-enter puts in a few seconds here. Once it hits the 290.83, you could hit put city right there, and it'll come back down and touch the bottom. So you get a $10 move downward on Amazon if you wanted to. That's not my trade, but it's going to probably happen. It's going to retest the bottom again before it comes back up. This is not my trade though. All right, I don't have an advantage. See how far away it is from the MA? See how far away that is? It's a slingshot. This is a whole shot. This won't work for me. Okay, the odds are not in my favor. Okay, I want to trade into the moving average down. When it comes into the moving average and slams this way, this is where you make the most money because it does this huge capitulation back. Okay, now it's fluctuating at the bottom because the market doesn't know what direction. You have no advantage on the tick. It's zero. It's giving you zero advantage. Does that make sense?
Could that still slingshot back up pretty fast, even if the Qs are coming down?
Yeah, I wouldn't. I think it's pretty much done right now. The 3,000. I figured it was going to go right to the 3,000. Remember we talked about it? Mm-hmm. It's going to get stuck there. It's probably going to come right back down though. I'm going to stop this recording real quick.